Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send an invoice on Payoneer. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're asking if there's a way or the direct way for us to actually create our invoice via the Payoneer website, well, currently it is not supported. So how do we create our invoice while maintaining a professional outcome or a professional looking invoice? So I would suggest you to use Canva for this one. So Canva has different types of templates that you could use here. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Now from here, just click on the create design, which is located at the top right, and from here just type in invoice. And from here, you will see the size for invoice. Just click on it. Now from here, it's going to start creating your project. And from here at the left side of your screen, you will see invoice template that you could use. So there are free ones here, but there are also pro one. But since we just want to use the free one, just hold and click on the design that you want to use and drag it here in your section here. Now from here, you can start editing all the details that you want to change here. So the company name, if you want to change the invoice number as well, the billing to, and the date as well, and the itemized prices here as well as the amount. Now from here, just go ahead and edit that, and once you're satisfied, just click on the share button, which is located at the top right, and from here you could go ahead and download this photo in a PNG format. Now in that PNG format, you could go ahead and just send that to your client, and you'll be able to provide a invoice effortlessly into your clients, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.